Hey guys, welcome back to Arts with Maalavya. So today we are going to be seeing how to make this Nehru cap with only chart paper. So first of all, for this you'll be needing a chart paper. If you're doing this for a kid to wear, you can use a bigger one. If you're just making it for fun or a showpiece, you can make a smaller one. I'm doing this for my brother's speech, and this is 40 into 43 centimeter. This is for a 7-year-old kid. You can take it according to your age. Now we're gonna fold this paper into half from the sides. You have to fold it from the smaller place into the larger one. Now we're gonna fold the sides of this paper on the right and left side. This you can take about 5 to 6 centimeter on each side, but I have not measured. I just did it according to my measurement without using a scale for this. So right here, it was easier for me to use something to press everything. So I used a domino here. You can use whatever is heavy and handy for you. So now we're gonna fold the corners. The corners of the sides we folded. We have to fold the corners in triangular shape. You're not supposed to. It's not that you should use a scale, but I'm just using because it's a bit straight, which will be our guide. We're going to do that on both sides of the paper on the top part. Now once you have folded on one side, the other side should be the exact same measurement. So if you have a not take measurement, you can just fold the paper into half and measure it. Now once you have folded it nicely, you're just gonna unfold that. That is just for the measurement. And sorry for this dirt over there and on my table, because this is the table where I do my art. So the paint just got stuck on this white paper from my scale. If you had seen, there was a dash of paint which I didn't notice. Okay, so now we're just gonna fold it in this way according to what I'm doing, and just push it nicely. Just gonna push it there so we don't get any it doesn't pop up, the paper doesn't pop up while wearing the hat. And once you have done it, you're gonna just close it at the side. You're also gonna make a line in front of the triangle, and we're just gonna do the same to the other paper as well. Yay, I've done both sides, and now it's the equal thing at the both sides. Now we're going to open it like this, and once you have opened, we're just going to fold the top under the triangle with the exact same measurement for both sides. You can use a scale which is handy for you, or something which is straight. So now I hope you guys have folded the top nice in a nice manner, just like this, and this is what your finished product is. Twist it off to the back or flip it off to the back, and now just smooth it nicely with a dominoes or your hand or whatever is handy with you, and we are going to fold it accordingly to the same size. And once you fold it, can you see that part is just folded in that line? And now once you have folded, now what we're gonna do is, if your measurement was not right over here, it's gonna be taking some cutting and stuff. But this is a totally no cutting or no glue project. But for me, I took the exact same measurement, which was 43 into 40, so it's correct. We're just gonna fold it in that way and just push it nicely, and so that it doesn't pop up. And we're just gonna push it inside and flatten it up and put the paper on top. And this is our product until now. If you're wondering how this is gonna turn into a cap, you'll see. Now we're gonna fold the sides evenly on both sides, just like that, from the under to the top. And now you're gonna fold the bigger part onto the top by measuring the length on the paper under it. This is a step-by-step process on how to make this cap. So if you are trying to do with me, you can pause the video in between and do it along with me. And now we're going to fold it inside, and there's nothing much to say. You have to just follow the same instructions or the steps done in the video. And once you fold it nicely, you're going to take this part of the paper and fold it inside of the paper. And once you fold it, you're just going to flatten it up on the bottom. And once you fold it accordingly, I'm going to take a domino because that sword is very heavy and very easy for me to use. You can use whatever you want. And now we are going to fold this in half and smoothen it with whatever you have. Actually, it is not called smoothen. You cannot say press it, right? So that's what I put smoothen it in the paper. Just flatten it up. And now you're just gonna fold it in half. You're gonna fold that paper in half and just you're just gonna leave that there. And again, we're gonna smoothen or flatten it up. Oh, too much smoothing or flattening. And now, as you can see, all the papers are equal. We're just gonna give this another fold, and then all the papers are gonna be equal. Okay, so now you're just gonna flatten it up again so that it doesn't pop up. And now the next step what we're gonna be doing is interlapping. And now you can take the bottom and you can see those triangular things, right? So you're gonna insert this paper inside that is called known as interlapping. So you're gonna insert the paper inside of those small triangular cones or whatever you say them. And yay, we did it on this side. It's not gonna be completely flat. They're gonna pop up somewhere, but that's okay because we're gonna open it up. And now we're going to do the same to the other side as well, because in the other side as well we have this small paper part which is going to go inside this triangular part. Now we're gonna smoothen it up so that nothing pops up again. And this is a bit small, so you might have to glue it, but you can adjust without glue as I'm doing here. In case you want, you can make it a bit big, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so now we are almost done. There are only 2 or 3 more steps left. I mean 1 step left. Now, as you can see a man standing there and saying subscribe. Yeah. And now take the side with 3 layers, not the one with 2. Take the side with the 3 layers and just gonna open it up. And you're gonna just, flatten it down or just push this part to the bottom. So it forms the top part of the cap. And in this case, if you have not flattened it up, it's all gonna pop up like that. And yeah guys, it's done. That's it. It's pretty much that's it. Only you need to wear, and that's it. If you have some problems, you can just adjust by putting some, glue or tape. And yeah. And here's my brother. Don't forget to like, share, and click this button for subscribing.